So here as I've written that horizontal drift cannot be 0, but we can do one thing. I can try to minimize the drift. What we can do over here, that although the value cannot be 0, but we can keep it minimum. So now I will try to get the condition for minimum horizontal drift. Right. Yes, Akash?
So you were telling that if the boat starts in opposite direction, in that case.
No, 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 no. This is downstream only. This case only. This
So, but
case.
you started said that.
Fine, okay, no problem. We're just coming back for one particular subtopic here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, condition for minimum horizontal drift is, see, already you have seen drift is equal to x is equal to VBW cot theta VBW cot theta plus VW cosecant theta into d by VBW, right? So this was the horizontal drift in case of upstream, right? Okay. So to have minimum, for x to be minimum, it's a condition. Condition is dx d theta has to be 0. That is the condition, right? So it will be a very clumsy differentiation now. D by VBW, let's keep it aside, third bracket, d theta of VBW cot theta plus VW cosecant theta is equal to 0. Okay, now? So let's see. Let's throw this term away because eventually this will be 0. Okay. So VBW cot theta differentiation enta cosecant square theta. D theta of cot theta is cosecant square theta plus VW. How much is cosecant theta? Any idea? Cosecant theta differentiation? Any idea? 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G? No idea, G. Okay, G. This is minus. I also forgot. Oh, no, no, no. Minus cot theta cosecant theta. Yeah, this one. This is equal to 0. So here now I will get the condition. So if I further equate, see, one cosecant theta will be cancelled, right? No. So we can write VBW by sine theta, since cosecant theta is 1 by sine theta, is equal to VW into cot theta ante cos theta by sine theta. This gone. So ultimately cos theta we are getting VBW by VW. This is the condition of minimum drift. So this is condition for minimum drift in upstream. No, downstream. In downstream. Any doubt? Feel free to go for it. Okay, already. Sanita madam, Chippandi.
Sir, VBW by sin square theta, sir, not sin theta.
Hey madam, cosec theta cancel.
Oh, shit. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Who are the other people? Yes, Vardhan.
Sir, can you say once again, please?
Which part?
Sir, VW by sin theta is equal to
Arey
V by
bhai,
V.
you calculate na yaar. You have white paper, you have pen. Please
Before
calculate na.
step, before step.
Before step, this one.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying cot theta differentiation is cosecant square theta, and cosecant theta differentiation is minus cot theta cosecant theta. So remember them as formula. d theta of cot theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Write 20 times. Then again d theta of cosecant theta ante is equal to minus of cot theta into cosecant theta. These are the formulas. Okay, Vardhan?
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome. Yes, Shankar.
Sir, differentiation of cot theta minus cosecant square theta. No, sir.
Secant square theta only.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, go ahead. Please note it down. Yes, Hardik.
Sir, can I do a little bit up?
Yes. This much is okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na done now. Is it okay? Fine, clear for everyone. Okay. So let us go for the. Oh my God, where it is lost. Just wait for some time, please. Yeah, you are correct actually. This will come minus. Minus. So here one minus sign will come. Minus. Minus. Yeah. Fine. So now, if I want to calculate minimum drift now, minimum drift is equal to. Yes, Rushikesh, go ahead.
Sir, can you show you have given one example on that baller, na sir? Once you can show that.
Example of
That baller one you have given example, na sir?
bowler.
Yes, sir. One picture you have took yesterday.
Yesterday, nahi.
Day before yesterday.
Oh my God, what will you do with this? You are also a Brett Lee fan, huh? Where is it? How can I? I don't remember. Where is it? Yeah. Happy now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
His name is Brett Lee. His highest speed was 160.7 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now x minimum is equal to, let us put the values here. So we got the cos theta value. From here I can get the sin theta value. Sin theta is equal to root under of 1 minus cos square. Mute yourself please. 1 minus cos square theta, that is root under of 1 minus, this minus whole square means it will become plus. So VBW by VW whole square. So eventually it will become root under of VBW square minus VW square by VW. Right? So let's keep it there. So now let us put the value. So what I am writing now, VBW, check everyone, we have to do it this calculation very patiently. So VBW into cot theta. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. How much cos theta you got? Cos theta is equal to minus VBW by VW divided by, oh my god, divided by root under of VBW square minus VW square divided by V. I have wrote opposite na? Yes, as usual, my old habit. If there is ever any Nobel Prize announced for silly mistake, I can beat anybody. Even Likita also. So this plus, what is the other thing? VW cosecant theta. So VW cosecant theta means how much? VW by root under of VW square minus V of VW square. Are you able to see it? It is not looking too clumsy, na? Looking a bit clumsy. X minimum is equal to VBW into minus of VBW by VW by root under of VW square minus VBW square by VW plus of VW into VW divided by root under of VW square minus VBW square మొత్తం into d by ఎంత వచ్చింది d by VBW. Hey, is it appearing as a tongue twister, you know? VW, VBW, VW, VBW. So this cancel. Anything else? Can we cancel anything? No, we can't. Great surprise to us. So it is coming to be d by VBW. Now you see this term is coming to be VW square minus VBW square divided by root under of VW square minus VBW square. Why they are raising hand? Sujit Cheppandi.
Sir, their sin theta equal to plus or minus root 1 minus cos square theta, no, sir.
Arey Baba, take the magnitude only, bhai.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 1 this cancelled. So result is d into root under of VW square minus VBW square by VBW. This is X minimum. This is minimum rate. I request everyone to go through the calculation regarding my confidence on my own calculation. I hope this is okay now. Please check this one. Yes, Vanu.
Sir, previously you written that VBW minus VBW by VW whole divided by under root VW square minus VBW square.
By which one you was telling?
Previously you erased in, sir.
That was wrong actually.
Okay, sir.
I was taking the opposite thing. Okay. Yes, Mr. Akash. Akash, please.
Sir, do we have to remember this formula or directly apply the concept in the question?
Well, if you can apply this formula, then you can directly apply.
And sir, that angle theta is between what, sir? The bank and the swimmer boat.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. See, I'm telling you time and again, you cannot remember the formula if you do not remember the derivation. You try whatever hard you can never remember the formula if you do not have proper clarity over the derivation. Got it? Okay,
Sir, if you will take the theta as the angle between the y-axis and the boat, sir, then we can directly find the sine theta, no, sir.
Yes, in that case, all sine cos will be interchanged, no?
Sir, but we will get very easy equations, sir. Simple equation.
You will get very simple equation at the last, but you will get very complicated equation in the first.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Whenever something comes easy in physics, avoid that. Why? Because if that is easy, then either it is a misconcept or it is done wrongly.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, observer पुष्कर काले
थोड़ा सा ऊपर
अभी ज्वाइन किया है बे?
नहीं सर, नहीं उतना नहीं, थोड़ा नीचे सर। लास्ट पार्ट भी दिखना चाहिए आंसर।
तो पूरा तो दिख रहा था ऐसे ही।
नहीं सर, थोड़ा सा ऊपर
एकदम बता दे भाई कितना ऊपर इतना। ये ठीक है?
हाँ बस
स्क्रीनशॉट ले रहा है क्या बे?
हाँ सर, वो बीच में से अपने कुछ चालू कर दिया था, तो पहले वो अपोजिट डायरेक्शन से स्टार्ट कर दिया था ना, तो
सही तरीका आ गया भाई। हम लोग के टाइम पे टीचर के क्लास में नोट नहीं लिखो साला कुत्तों की तरह होता था हम लोगों को।
थैंक यू सर।
हमारे टाइम में एक मैथ्स का टीचर था ना पुष्कर, ठीक है, वो जब आता था ना यार हम लोग का हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाता था। क्लास में कुछ करो तो साला पीटता था, कुछ नहीं करो तो और पीटता था।
सर सेम मेरे साथ भी हुआ है सर।
हाँ तो मैं भी कैंपस में वही करता हूँ, आ जाना एक बार। चलो let us move on to the next thing. So now I'm coming for the downstream here. So in the morning time we have already seen that this is the velocity, resultant velocity of the boat as seen from the ground. So we can check here, this is the x component, this is the x component, and this is the y component. Right now, what is the difference actually? You see, what is the meaning? Meaning is that this x component is responsible for motion along x-axis. As we have said earlier, same thing, there is no difference. And this is responsible for motion along y-axis. Okay, right now. So what I can write in terms of equation, x is equal to VW minus VBW cos theta into t. What I can write in y direction, y is equal to VBW sin theta into t. As y is equal to d, to cross the river, VBW sin theta into t. So how much t we got? We got t is equal to d divided by VBW sin theta. Now the interesting thing is that if you check the equation for trying to cross the river, it remains same in both the cases, whether it is upstream or downstream, right? It is same. This is the time to cross the river. Time to cross the river. Right, G? Okay, G. Sanath, what is that in the background? Aurora? चलो यार, that's better. पता नहीं इस जन्म में नॉर्थ पोल में ट्रैवल होगा कि नहीं, यहीं से देख लेता हूँ. Do you know how those are created? We will study in class 12 syllabus. That is because of the trapping of charged particle in magnetic field. It's a beautiful science. Now people will again have used me, sir, इसमें भी physics. It's a beautiful physics. It's a concept of magnetic bottle. Yes, Mr. Akash Kumar sir.
सर वो जो टाइम में साइन थीटा है वो डिनोमिनेटर में है न्यूमरेटर में है?
कौन सा भाई? ये वाला?
टाइम टू क्रॉस द रिवर.
हाँ, नीचे नीचे.
हाँ सर, उसे स्क्रॉल कर सकते हैं नीचे?
और नीचे है ही नहीं तो किधर कहूँ?
ओके सर.
फिर से हैंग हो गया. देखो, this Zoom is really troubling me यार. I'm literally fearing someday my all data will be gone. So now let us substitute VW minus VBW cos theta into D by VBW sin theta. Good. Will you beat boys in class? Raised hand. Never. Don't worry, I have the huge reputation. I am the most friendliest guy in entire Madhapur. So don't worry. But yes, at times I used to be very off the track. But yes, if I'm in the boys' campus. Yogananda.
Sir, can you repeat once more? Due to the current, there was no current. My computer gone off. So can you tell it once again?
In still water?
Sir?
You are asking in still water what happens?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Sir, from motion along with cycle. Yes, sir.
This one.
Yes.
This one is there, you know. I have just calculated the time now. So this time value I am substituting here. In this place of t I am substituting. Okay. So because of that, this is the x value we are getting. Now this is giving us the horizontal drift.
Okay.
Okay, dear?
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Vardhan?
Sir, can you scroll down?
Scroll down, there is no option to scroll down. This much is enough. This is the last.
Sir, up, sir.
Up only. Okay, that is okay. This is fine.
Sir, figure.
The figure. This one.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. I will take screenshot.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Pritam.
Sir, if the person drives the motor in still water, then there will be no horizontal this one, sir.
What did you say? If the person dies in still water?
No, sir. If he rides.
Acha, rides in still water.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There will be no change. If he rides in still water, his initial direction of motion will be the final direction of motion.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Three years back, I had a student here. His name is Madhav. So he is bit stammering kind of guy. He used to stammer while speaking. I mean, I'm not demeaning his stammering, okay, but that is a very funny guy. So one day in doubt clearing, I was sitting. Madhav came, sir, I have doubt on electric field, sir. Ah, okay, fine, no problem. So Madhav, which you have practiced in electric field? Nothing, sir. Did you read my lecture note? No, sir. No, sir. But I have doubts, sir. Chalo, okay, somehow I controlled my anger and I said, okay, fine. What is there? So Madhav opened DC Pandey book, directly exercise level 3. No level 1, no level 2, direct level 3. Okay. I said, Madhav, what about level 1, level 2? I will manage, sir. Don't worry, sir. You just tell level 3, sir. But he has doubt. Just understand. Actually, you can correlate. So then I said, Madhav, which question I need to do? Then the next answer he gave blew my mind. Sir, from top to bottom, do everything, sir. I will just see and I will check it. So that's how people used to sometimes ask doubts. Huh? But anyway, it's good. It's good. It's good to communicate. At least it is better than not communicating. Chalo. So next thing I will see. Previously I have said that zero drift was not possible. But in this case, if the boat is trying to move upstream, then zero drift is possible. Then zero drift is possible. So now I have to get the condition of zero drift. Now I will write condition for zero drift. It's very simple. Condition of zero drift means this x value has to be 0. If it is 0, then we can simply write VW minus VBW cos theta is equal to 0. So from there, cos theta value, we are getting how much? We are getting VW by VBW. So that's the value of cos theta for which the drift will be 0. Okay, now this is okay for everyone. If there is any doubt, feel free to go for it. Yes, Yogananda?
Sir, I forgot to lower my hand, sir.
Okay, no issue. Yes, Shashivardhan?
Sir, can you scroll up, sir, one time? Only some.
This is still stuck in.
I'm aware.
Yeah, this is, I do not know. I think this OneNote I am using is a Microsoft license thing actually. I think this is not.
Sir, 10K, 7K Windows.
Actually, two things are most comfortable things, either OneNote or OpenBoard. OneNote is very good. This is by Microsoft actually. But this Zoom is
Sir, Zoom is better than other apps, sir.
better than other app regarding user friendly only. It's not regarding that protection, safety and everything. I don't know, maybe I'm getting real trouble from it.
Yes.
Chalo. So let's move ahead. Now let me show this pictorially. If I just represent it as a diagram. This is one river bank. Yes, Varun, tell me. Mr. Varun, can you hear me? This is A, this is B. So initially it is heading in this direction. Let us say it is heading in this direction. Right? And water is pulling it from here. Okay, and then this is the direction it is heading to. So I can name them. This one is VBW. This one is VW, and this one is B port with respect to ground. Yes, Varun. Can you hear me? Yes, Akash.
So you can also use Microsoft Whiteboard, sir.
No, Microsoft Whiteboard also I have tried, but my handwriting was even worse than this.
Okay, sir.
Actually, the pen tab I'm using now, it is Wacom. Wacom is incompatible with this OneNote. So it is all okay. I'm very comfortable with this, but somehow the Zoom is not having a very good relationship with OneNote.
Sir, Microsoft Whiteboard is also good, sir.
It's also good, huh?
Yes, sir.
Someday I will try. See, again it is hanged. You see.
So now you can try, sir.
What's happening? My God. All right, this is okay now. Up to this, it is fine now. Fine. So just wait. Just give me a second. I'll just take few questions from HCV. So just give me a second. If we will revise this one once, and just give me a second. I'm just feeding the HCV question. Yes, Sanath. Sanath, tell me. What? Right. Can you people read comfortably? The font size is okay only, na? Clarity is there? Yeah, right. Thank you. So just do question number 46 and 47. Try these two questions. Yes, Raja? Dinesh?
Sir, in the time is 40 seconds, sir.
Oh, no.
No.
No. Chaitanya?
Hey, 40 seconds.
Likita?
Time 40 seconds only.
40 seconds only. Everybody is getting 40 seconds. Okay.
Sir, once explain B
Okay. I'll explain. Anu?
Sir, time is 40 seconds and distance is 407, sir.
Is it so? Shivani is also saying same, so let's check. ओए कौन अनम्यूट किया रे भाई म्यूट कर भाई Please mute yourself. Somebody is in unmute mode. Yeah. So, question number 46 is saying a river is 400 meter wide. No problem. Let the river be. And water is flowing at 2 meter per second. So in this direction it is 2 meter per second. No problem. Let it move. Now, what they're saying, velocity of boat sailing in this direction, perpendicular to it, is 10 meter per second. So this will be the resultant speed. Even we can directly do, yes. So T is equal to D by V BW sine theta. Everybody knows it. Sine theta here is 90 degree. So yes, 400 is equal to 40 second. Correct only. First answer is okay. Second answer, what they're asking, if he heads in a direction theta with the flow, find the time taken. Oh no, this is 47. How far from the point directly opposite to the bank? Are yeah, this is the X formula only, no? That is equal to B BW cos theta plus VW into D divided by VBW sin theta. This is to 0. Cos 90 is 0 only. Correct? So VW is equal to 2. D is 400 divided by this is 10. 80 meter. Correct? Yes, Atik, tell me.
Sorry, sir, I forgot to unmute.
Okay, beta. Mr. Akash. Mr. Pushkar Kale.
Sir, formula of Swift is hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, it is VW minus V cos theta, right? Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, formula is VW minus VBW cos theta into D by VW.
No, why minus? It is in downstream only, na? Why minus? Plus only. Anyway, I hope this is clear. Now go for 47, everyone. Do question number 47. 47 done? Likita? 47.
Is 600 seconds, sir.
600?
600 seconds, sir. B. And that one is coming I did in minutes, sir. 10 minutes and 10 by sine 10 I got.
You show me what you have done. You show me on the screen.
Sir?
You show me on the screen what you have done.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Chaitanya, okay. Yes, Akshari?
Sir, answer comes in terms of sine data.
Yes, answer
47.
comes. Yes, in terms of
So then time 500 by 3 sine theta.
Okay, I will check. Just I will check. Just wait for some time. Huh?
Okay.
So 47, the question is saying that the river is 500 meter wide. Nikita, tell me.
Sir, option B I got 10 minutes.
Okay, fine. I'll check. I think correct only. Rahul.
Option A is 500 by 3 sin theta.
Okay. Those who are saying it is 500 by 3 sin theta, they have made a great blunder. They have made a blunder. 500 is in meter. You have to do in kilometer. Right? Yes. So I will show the diagram like this. This is easy. This is the basic theory actually what we have done. So this angle theta with what they are saying, horizontal or vertical? With the flow. Okay. So with the flow means horizontal, this angle only. So x will be equal to, directly I can write VBW cos theta plus VW into T, and T will be equal to D divided by VBW sin theta. How much is T? T is equal to half kilometer. You have to take it in kilometer. Be careful in this. That divided by 5 sin theta. Right now? So that means 1 by 10 sin theta hour. This comes in hour. I hope this is okay. So I think answer will be 6 by sin theta minute. Yeah, okay, Bhanu, fine. Is this okay? Did you understand or not? This is the point where you need to understand the change in units. Yes, Mr. Rahul.
I want to show the question, sir.
Show the question. Show the question.
Sir, the river is flowing at 5 km/h, no, sir?
River is flowing 5 km/h. Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay. Then it will be 3. 3 ante, this is 6. This is 6 means this is 10. Okay. Okay, fine. Right. Then what about T minimum? T minimum is easy only, na? Nonsense. T minimum will come when sin theta is maximum. When sin theta is maximum, that is 1. So T minimum is equal to 10 minutes. Right? I hope everybody understood. No doubt is there. Correct? Okay. Now 48 is a very good question. So try 48 once. Yes, Sasivardhan, any doubt regarding 47?
Sir, I got 6 sines theta and 10 minutes, sir, answer.
Ah, yes, okay. Yogananda?
One scroll down, sir.
Scroll down, okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir, completed.
Yes, Preetham?
Sir, can you show the question?
Yes, sure. I'll show.
Sir, can you show the whole page so that I can take a screenshot?
You don't have HCV?
No, sir, I don't have.
Please buy it. This is the textbook. Huh?
Yeah, okay, sir.
It will be needed. Okay.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So in question number 48, what they are asking basically, minimum drift they are asking. They are saying na, if he reaches the other shore somewhere else, he has to walk down to this point. Find the minimum distance that he has to walk. It means what? They are asking the minimum drift. Minimum drift. You know the formula na? Just substitute, you will get the answer. Okay, you got this understanding conceptually correct, na? You're understanding this point, na? They are asking the minimum drift. It means a person has to move to this point from here. Because of the water flow in this direction, he ends up landing somewhere here. So he has to walk back to this point. A, B, C. So C to B minimum distance. This means what? This is the minimum drift. That's it. Okay. Yes, tell me, madam.
Sir, 2 by 3.
Ah, yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Bhanu.
Sir, it's 2 by 3 kilometer.
Yes, sir. Correct answer. Snita, madam.
Same answer, sir. 2 by 3.
Okay. Vardhan Saab.
Sir, 2 by 3.
Okay. Sir is Konar sir only. Sir is not 2 by 3. Okay, na? Chalo. Chalo. Practice these things. Tomorrow I will give you one assignment which you can work out. Okay. If you have Narana material with you, you can go on to this subtopic in level 2, classwork and homework, and there you can practice this thing. Okay. Na? But again, I'm telling the major part is played by the theory. So you have to be thorough with the theory first, right? So practice them time and again. 2-3 times you practice. Okay. Puskar, बोल भाई.
सर व्हाट डिड सर आपने क्या लिया अभी 42 क्वेश्चन के बाद?
समझा नहीं तो क्या बोला रे?
सर अभी तुमने क्या लिया 42 क्वेश्चन के बाद? 47 क्वेश्चन
48 क्वेश्चन लिया. भाई किसकी ख्यालात में डूबा है बे तू? मैं इतना डिस्कशन.
सर वो कुरियर आया था मटेरियल का वो लाने गया.
कुरियर में क्या आया बे? अभी तो ये जुलाई का महीना है, फरवरी तो बहुत दूर है अभी.
सर मटेरियल आया था.
अच्छा मटेरियल आया. चलो चलो बढ़िया हो. खोल के नाच ले एक बार मटेरियल देख के.
थैंक यू. तो जरा नीचे लो ना मतलब वो कैलकुलेशन देखना है.
कैलकुलेशन है ही नहीं, मैंने कुछ बोला ही नहीं इसमें. फॉर्मूला है ना मिनिमम ड्रिफ्ट का, उसको बस रिप्लेस कर दे, आ जाएगा. ओके ना, दैट्स ऑल. चलो बाय बाय, सी यू टुमारो. टेक केयर, टेक रेस्ट, कम फ्रेश टुमारो मॉर्निंग. चलो बाय. Bye. Take rest, huh? Or next class is there, na? How can you take rest? Chalo, bye. See you tomorrow.